Hi guys, my name is Rochester, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get these nice pink purple ombre brows. So this is all I do in this tutorial. I'm not wearing any makeup in this tutorial, so that's just a disclaimer there. I have some more in the video for you guys, but yeah, that's just basically it, how to get these brows. Please do enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, toodles, enjoy the video. Oh, by the way, yes, I am Jamaican. I need to put a disclaimer out there. My husband said he has never seen my real eyebrows before, so, and that's a damn shame. So I'm attempting to grow them back. Now this is, I don't know, like, if you think you have hardship in life, try growing back your eyebrows. That girl, the struggle is real, boo-boo. Like this, I want to shave off under here, and I'm trying to grow it back. So my eyebrows are pretty ugly. I mean, they grow so weird and they have no definition. So let's just see. So I'm just brushing what I have in place, and the color that I'll be using, I truly hope I'm in focus. It's okay, so it is pretty. It's it's just tiny, but you can use whatever colored pencil you have, you know, if it's good enough, I guess. But this one, I bought it years ago. I bought it at a Chinaman shop. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the pencil to kind of, I really hope I'm in focus, to kind of brush down my brows. So to kind of like press them down. Yeah, to kind of like press them down. So I'm just pressing down my real brows, and then I'm just going to go ahead and draw the shape that I want. So I'm giving myself a pretty decent arch, not too high. Now if you have brows already, like your brows aren't shaved off like mine, you can use powder, like an eyeshadow, a pigmented enough eyeshadow to do this. If you have thin brows, you know, they're not as shaved off as mine, but they're pretty thin. And I love to tell people, oh, I have no brows, they're just really thin. So you can do this technique that I'm doing as well. So my brows grow straight out here, right here, and I'm drawing on top of that. So I don't know how this grow brow challenge is going to go for me. I do not know. So that's what I have, and honestly, even though I'm looking at it now, I truly can't see the shape until I get my what do you call it now? Get my concealer, my concealer slash foundation going. You hear Jonathan in the background? That's my baby. So I'm going to be using, as usual, rich. No, that's not rich caramel. Yeah, rich caramel. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's from Black Opal. But look guys, it's like all done. I'm just like digging in there because I like how this I like it for my brows. So I'm just digging in there. Come a little bit closer. Then I'm just going to go under and just kind of shape out my brows. So I have the basic shape down. Now I'm going in with the foundation. Oh my God. Going in with the foundation, and I'm just making it the shape more visible, I guess. See, except my arch is all the way out here. Why is my arch so far? Arch is too far. But anywho, if I can bring it. So like all along here is like small hairs, like eyebrows. Oh, it's cray cray. It's cray cray. So I'm gonna do the other side. Whoops! Too high. No. I went too high. So I have to just draw over that. And I'm going over here just to lay down my brow hairs even flatter. Lamb of God who. Alright, so that's what we have so far. See that? But this has more of an arch than this here. So I'm going to go on top to see what I'm working with all together. And whenever you're doing your brows, just a little tip, the highest point of the brow is always facing your nose. When you go on top, the highest point facing your nose. When you go on the bottom, sorry, the highest point facing your nose. When you go on top, the highest point facing your nose. It's just easy, it flows better whenever you're doing your brows. Just a little tip. Alright, so I'm going on the other side. And whenever I do my colored brows, I don't like my brows to be thick when I do my colored brows. I like my brows to be thin. See that? So I'm going to go on top here. Alright, so to finish off my brows, I'm going to take a light color concealer. This one is medium neutral and it's by Shades by Gal. Gal means Grace and Long. She's a Jamaican, so it's a Jamaican owned company. Whoa. It's medium neutral. So I'm going on my arch. And I'm doing this so that this area of my brow, it pops out more. See how that comes out some more? So it comes up more than over here. See that? So that's how I do it. So I'm going to go on in focus, going to go on this side, do the same with medium neutral from Shades by Gal. The Instagram is Shades by Gal as well. Then I'm going to be blending out. So then I'm going to blend out my brows now. Blend out the edges. Just grabbing the edges and blending them out. And my foundation that I put on is going to further help around my brows to blend. So that's what we have. So I'm going to take it a step further, and I'm actually going to add black. So I'm going to add black. Just remember, like how I would normally put my brown wherever the black wherever my real brow stops. So my real brow stops about here for now because it's going back in, and I'm going to add the black from right there, so before my arch. And I'm doing that just to show you guys, if I want a little bit of definition in them brows, you can, and it's going to end up looking purple because this pink pencil looks as if it has a bit of iridescence in it. So when I move it at certain angles, it looks purple. So right where my brow ends, that's where I'm applying the black. Mama, you put on the fire, the water, in the water I boil?
Yeah, you're going to boil water.
Alright. No man, I'm gonna drink the tea. My husband tell us I'm gonna drink the night tea.
You're going to drink the tea?
Yeah.
Night tea.
So I'm going to go in with the pencil again, and right where these two end, I'm just going to flip this on top of it. So I'm going right where the end, and I'm blending the two. See that? Just right where the end. So it is seamless. So the difference? So I'm sure there are other ways how people do colored eyebrows, but because of how my brows are, as in because it's shaved off and stuff, this is my technique. But as I say, if you have if you have brows, you can use an eyeshadow. I like a pink eyeshadow. I'm going back with the black because I got some of the concealer on the brow. So I'm going to go back over this side. I have this thing, whatever I do to one side I do to the other, just so that it looks somewhat symmetrical, somewhat even. So these are darkening the brows, which I do not want, but hey, mistakes happen and you have to just kind of make it work. So I'm just going to blend again and just blend and leave it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that is it, you guys. my psychedelic brows. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do recreate this look, please go ahead and tag me on Instagram. Use the hashtag #LyricRochester. And I'll see you. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. No, I'm not wearing any makeup or anything. By the way, I have a tutorial on how to do these cluster lashes, and I'll link that in the description bar below for you guys. Bye.